PrintoLUX already has all the BarTender templates for your desired formats on the PrintoLUX software stick. Just click on the folder BarTender, Templates, Labels, and then either Standard Formats or Automotive. In our case, I would like to print an automotive label. I thus find my desired format and double-click on it. The BarTender template or the designed BarTender label opens up. This is already linked to a database. The advantage is that you can easily update your series content via Excel databases. These are then displayed in rows, and BarTender reads them out and displays them as individual labels. If you want to create a new database connection, just click on the database icon at the top. Select Configure Connection, browse, and select your desired Excel file. By clicking on Open and Next, you can select the desired tab, and clicking on Finish will establish the connection to your label. If I now want to print my labels, I simply click on File, Print, or select the print icon in the menu bar at the top. I can now select my printer, in this case, the Epson SCP-400. Under Settings, I check the print quality again and then select the relevant setting. Confirm with OK, and clicking on Print sends the print job to the printer. Here I can select the start position, and Print sends the print job to the printer. As you may have seen, you can use the large printing surface of the PrintoLUX Stone to print two label sheets side by side. For this, we need the PrintoLUX Quattro software. The software can be found on the separate PrintoLUX Quattro stick. A multi-page PDF is printed via BarTender and placed on the large printing surface via the Quattro software. Installing Quattro is extremely simple. All you need to do is copy the Quattro folder from the stick to your desktop and run the exe file in the Quattro folder. The 0-point position data can be added by clicking on Load. If you do not have an installed PDF printer or PDF creator, the PDF24 creator is included in the Quattro folder. This is very easy to install, and you will then be able to create PDFs. To create a multi-page PDF, I simply go back to my BarTender template folder, select my desired format, select File, Print, or click on the printer icon. I now select my PDF creator as a printer, check once again that the printer size is A5, and then click on OK and print. Now I simply save the PDF on the desktop and select the PDF via the Quattro software. A second PDF is created with the extension PrintoLUX. This now contains both label sheets in one file, which I can send directly to the printer.
Welche ich direkt auf den Drucker schicken kann.